Let's just take a moment to appreciate this sleigh. They named this just right, because this ad sleigh, I was a little doubtful. A little bit. Because I gave him a 3.5. But y'all gonna get a 5. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shells, aka Let's Begin. And today we are doing Maintenance Monday. Show y'all a natural lighting, and I wanted to show y'all the hair in this natural state before I do any type of maintenance to it. I really don't want to do any maintenance to it. One thing that I did maintenance, the sides would not come all the way down. I had to take wiring that they had out. Wig was not fitting my head, and now it fits. So I wanted to show y'all that, yeah, now that I did that, my clips look way better. Before I could only fit 2 clips, now I can fit all 3. And since I did that, I had to fix my porting. I'm gonna have to go in and fix it a little bit more. I liked it how it looked the first time I plucked it. It looked more natural, but when I plucked it, it was kind of like, you know, kind of curved. Now I think it's a little bit more straighter. I would say it sheds more than it tangles. I have actually went out with this wig for a couple hours and I forgot my brush and it still looked good. Mind you, I did cut some of the wefts because I had to cut on the side, and I did, you know, from plucking, so that could be why it sheds a little bit more. We can still do this, y'all. Shake test since it's not fresh. Oh, well, you can still do it. Okay, main concepts. I want to show y'all what the ends look like. I haven't washed this unit, anything, and this is the ends. They're still pretty good. The method that I wanted to do on this wig, I ran out of what I needed. I'm not going to tell y'all what it is because I'm going to save it probably for my next Maintenance Monday or Maintenance Monday further down the line. I'm just in a curly, wavy mood. I'm just going to let y'all know ahead of time, like all my wigs are supposed to come up curly and wavy. Before I do the maintenance, we're just going to already say that it's obvious that she's low maintenance. She's worth the buy, and for the price range, yeah, sis gonna be staying around for a while. Definitely is a plop and go, put on and go, whatever you want to call it, and go, because she is a go, okay? I'm gonna do the boil method again. All right, you guys, I'm just gonna let you know we're about to just hop right into it. Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. Late night attention, unconditioned, all that you're missing, my bad. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I don't know how I missed that corner out, but I ended up getting it. I braided all the way down to the ends, and I only did 6 of them because I wanted mine to be bigger. And then, you know, the boil method is just water and conditioner that I use. Make sure you only leave it in for like 5 minutes, maybe even 10, then let dry. Alright guys, and this is my end result. I love it. The next thing I'm going to do is just add me some powder. Okay, look at that. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the clips out, you guys. When you do put the clips in, be careful because I did snag my hair a little bit, and you know that can cause some shedding. But yeah, I love it. The waves are beautiful and pretty, and just look at it. Yes, but let's get into it. Alright guys, I am back, and this is what she's looking like with a little maintenance to her. You already know I'm feeling myself. And can we just give me a for the fact that I finally kind of slayed my baby hairs on camera? Even though I'm blind, like, you know, I did it. I did it. It fits a lot better. She is shedding real crazy. Y'all, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I'm feeling like Goldilocks, and I'm looking for the 3 bears, okay? I'm gonna do a couple little styles, you know. See what other ways we can slice this. You can cut these also if you wanted to. Push it all to the front. I think I like to push all to the front. It's the experiment. Why not? Another style we could do. Put clips. Oh, okay. Now we got somewhere. So 2 clips. They probably look different because one got more than the other, but pull it back. You can put the ponytail there. I got a rubber band and I should be just putting it on, but y'all, my phone about to die, so I'm trying to hurry up and do this. Just for experimenting, because I didn't do the last one. We're going to brush her out and see how she looks. So you always start from the bottom and work your way up. So, ooh, y'all, she is so soft. Woo! Look at this. This is her. So this is what she looked like, brushed out. Look from the side, the back, swing. She still flows. Y'all, I'm in love. Main concepts. I may have to do a little maintenance to the side so it can fit. Oh, I got the adjustable straps tightened now. She fits perfectly. And when my baby hairs and sideburns got messed up, but baby, I'm not playing that today. I am back. This is my finished look. My phone had ended up dying. I love it. I mean, I wish I wouldn't have brushed it out. I'm not even gonna hold y'all, but she's still cute. Pull it all to the front. And this is cute. I feel like a lioness, like I just, oh, like, yes, with the male mane. You can put it over to the side if you want to. I see a lot of celebrities is doing this style with the ponytail to the side. Celebrities putting it to the back, especially Meg Thee Stallion. She's been rocking her hair like this, especially with the wavy curly look. You could do a little bun real quick. Have a cute little style, put it all to the back. Like, I will say, y'all, this ponytail is really flat. But I'm going to say, yeah, it's an edge slay. It's an edge slay. And I'm in natural lighting right now. I'm going to see what it looks like if I turn my light on for you guys. Alright, guys, so I closed my blinds. And this is just with my ring light. I don't even have my room light on. This is what she's looking like. Now, I wish they would have did the black roots a little bit more. But I'm not going to complain. Me personally, my daughter wanted me to try the bun for you guys. I prefer it like this. Either like this or like this. This is how I'm feeling her. I just want to let y'all know my thumbnails for this video is going to be fat. Just fat. Y'all can't say I don't be rewrapping these wigs. And just to recap, like, she's a must purchase. You got to do a little doctoring. But she worth it. She's still soft too. I'm going to say cop up. Cop up. Cop up. Yes. Low maintenance. You can restyle her. She's longevity. You can keep her. Oh, y'all, just say this don't look like I got like my real hair. Like from back here, real hair plus. But from back here, don't look like I just got my hair up or I got a frontal. They did something. So yes, we're going to say this is slept on. Get this wig. Perfect for the fall. Fall ready. I'm saying. And I can even layer this and it will just look so bomb. But I got another vision for this unit. I got another vision. I'm gonna insert clips of when I first did it and I had went outside in the light. It looked at bomb. So red carpet, main concepts, yes. I don't even want to take this wig off, and I'm supposed to be doing another review for me to drop on Friday. I'm dropping a new day. It's called Fresh Friday, and wigs on Fridays that are new. I got Thursdays for throwbacks. I got Saturdays for wigs that's new or old to see if they're slept on. And I'm like, I need a day for, you know, fresh wigs, which is Fridays. And then you're going to have Mondays where I give you updates on each wig. See, I ain't giving y'all variety around here. You guys, okay. Let's begin. Okay, let's begin. Alright guys, that's it. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I thank you guys for continuing to subscribe to me. Until next time, deuces y'all.